Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we will be doing another LV denim unboxing. It's right here, and I thought today I finally had a chance to take out all my perfume samples from the deliveries I get and put it here, and I thought I'd just show it. This will be my next video where I'm going to open each little pouch and categorize all the samples and see which ones I've got. So that's going to be in my next video. Today we will be unboxing this one right here. So I got a new paper cutter. Another one. To reveal the denim stole. So this is my second stole from LV, and I saw her on the website and I thought, because this is my first stole, the Takashi Murakami XLV white multicolor stole. I got her just, I think, 2 months ago or last month, and she's super soft. So when I saw that there's a denim one, I thought it'd be good to get her. It feels a little bit even like softer than, or maybe it's thinner than this one right here. So let me just take a close look. One side is more like a darker denim, as you can see, and the inside looks like this. So it has monogram all over. And I believe when you put her around the neck or on the body, it'll look really nice. So let's just look at the information here. Again, this one's made in Italy, and this is the code. In terms of the material, it is 80% wool and 20% silk. So you'd be surprised. It's actually, it doesn't feel like hot, where like wool would make you feel really hot. It's actually very thin and silky, even though it's only 20% silk. And this material looks like denim, but it's really soft. And I like how like one side is a little bit darker blue and the other side is light, because then when you layer it on your body, there's like you see layering and like more depth. So if I was to grab my white multicolor and put them side to side and get a feel, see if it's also, I would believe this is also 20% silk and 80% wool. So let me find the, there we go. Actually, this is 100, this is slightly different. This one's 100% wool. I am so surprised that this could be like this soft. It feels almost like cashmere soft, but like with no heat. Anyway, so I feeling it on the hand, I think in terms of measurements, this must be bigger because this doesn't look like it's as long. But I can double check the measurements offline. So let me just put this close up so you guys could see the monogram. So this was my second denim purchase from the recent LV denim collection, and I'm expecting 2 more items to come. Hopefully it gets delivered before I fly off to Canada, but if it doesn't, then I might need to speak to my client services CA and let him know that it'll have to wait before I come back before they deliver, because right now it's still pending validation. So I will have 2 more denim pieces to come. So in the meantime, I plan to do another video of just unboxing these little mini perfume samples I have. I think I have about 25 pouches here, which equates to about roughly 50 sample sizes, and that's a video that I plan to do in ASMR maybe tomorrow or sometime this week before I fly. So if you enjoy these type of videos and haven't subscribed, please do so, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.